there's not much sunshine in those Cheez-Its, and we eat a lot of them. So, rather than tell us not to eat them, which I would never do because I love Cheez-Its, I just need to eat mine with apple slices.
This is from one section in the pond. But mosquito larvae would start too, and they are very different looking than mosquitoes. They hang out in the water. And
What do you like about the tadpoles?
They're so soft and cute.
You soft and cute?
Hey, there's one. Is this one? They're so soft. This was first.
This is Worms are interesting. Worms don't have any teeth, okay? And their mouth is only made for doing that, just sucking algae. Now when he gets done changing into a what? What does he eat?
Bugs.
Okay, so he goes from an herbivore to a carnivore. He eats bugs only. Please don't lift him out of the water. Because what? It's like somebody putting a stick or throw things in. It's because these guys have to pull the water through their bodies to get the oxygen out of it. And if it's all mucky, that's like us trying to breathe in. That would make sense, except the butterflies are,
They smell.
they're short-lived. You're so close.
Legs.
You're so close. Oh, trickster! So, you guys, he was right. They have little tasters on their feet. The mama butterflies have tasters on their feet. And when she goes on that leaf, she goes, oh, this is just the right spot to lay my eggs. The bee. Ever wonder why bees get so close to us? I think you already know. They're interested. Why do they think we're flowers? We're big. Because they have compound eyes, so things look very different for them. Take a look through that. You take one, you take one. I'm going to fix the one that's falling apart in my hand. You take one. We're all going to share, and we're going to make sure that they're
For our co-op, we're putting together a little poster of stuff that they've done. So it'd be neat. We could put a little something like this up.
Yeah.
Buckbrush? Is it? Trying to get it. Really good at identifying it. That's interesting that the butterfly is on there. So that means the butterflies help.
Do you see some?
What is it?
It's a tadpole. Oh,
Are they about to transform? They get.
I don't know. They're actually pretty small.
What will happen when they start to look like frogs?
They'll grow.
They grow.
Look at this. Hold on, Gabriella, stop moving. Okay, John, guys, walk to the side. Nathan's up there. Stick your shit. There's a huge one right there. Yeah, right there. See? Right there.
didn't kill them because I would squish them if I did. I just find them. I always look on the windowsill here and in the nature shop and at my house before I vacuum. And I found all of these in the summertime. Do insects live a long time? You know, some more than others, but